Hello, welcome back to my channel. In this video, we're going to talk about something that's really important to me, and it's getting ready in an efficient, quick manner. I always make a joke about being a businesswoman on the go and trying to digital dash out of my house. Even if I give myself like an hour before leaving, I don't like spending a long time getting ready, and I truly believe everyone can have a 5-minute outfit routine if they set themselves up for success. So let's get into it.
I was at the Hermes store and I got my Balenciagas.
The first tip that I have is to think of your outfit and your beauty routine the night before and have it laid and set out ahead of time. I'll never forget, like, you probably remember too when you're younger and in school, like your mom probably laid out your uniform and you're super excited like for the next day. Think about it the night before, have an idea based on weather and maybe how you're feeling already that night, and just so you're not rushing and scrambling in the morning and you can get ready pronto. But if you couldn't think of your fit the night before, there are some other ways that you can set yourself up for success in the morning. Now, after I do my laundry, I make sure everything is already pre-steamed and hung or folded if it's like knitwear and stuff, so I don't have to worry too much about wrinkles and even say like delinting and stuff like in the morning. Try and do this stuff ahead of time, like right when you finish your laundry. It'll just make things so much easier. Like, I don't even really remember the last time where I had to pick up a steamer in the morning. Maybe if it was like in my closet, like scrunched together, but it's pretty rare. Like, I can usually pick it off the hanger and go. But obviously, like, how you store your clothes is really helpful with this as well too. Another way to set yourself up for success is to have a rail mixed with both casual and kind of dressy pieces. Now this kind of goes back to not my last video. I'm forgetting that I didn't have any wine this time. On how to shop your closet and save money overall. Just having a rack pre-planned out with like some of the pieces that you have on rotation in your closet already will just help you create outfits with ease, like overall. And then even as well too, like I said in that video, just merchandising that rail with like little capsule outfits just to make your decisions a lot easier and quicker as well. Now, we can't forget our beauty routine. So what I'm trying to incorporate into my everyday ritual is a go-to clean luxury beauty brand. And one that just recently reached out to me is called Merit. And can we just take a moment for this packaging? She's so cute. Look at her. 3 things that really stood out to me about this brand is it looks luxe. They also have an array of shades to match various people. And also, what hit home for me, I never really thought about using clean beauty products. I always made sure what I ingest internally is good and clean, but what we put on topical is important as well too. One thing that stood out to me is the brand's owner, Catherine Power. She realized that her beauty products were starting to make her sick when she was pregnant with her son. And that, I was like... I feel like a lot of the times we're not as proactive and we start to maybe change and assess our lifestyles when we have a problem. But guys, let's be proactive and actually start to overlook our beauty counters right now, because that's something I'm really going to do. So just like my outfit, also getting into my makeup routine in the morning, I like to digital dash. I like it to be quick. And my 3 favorite products from this line are this foundation stick, and I am in the color Sepia. And ooh, this is a pretty good match. It actually matches the outside perimeters of my face and my body really well. I do want to get another shade so I can use it as a concealer, because this thing doubles foundation and concealer, which is crazy to me. It covers really well but still looks very natural. This thing is great, and I just love a good swipe on. Just swipe it on and like brush it out. Just like really quick and easy. I love stuff like this. This bag is so cute. Like, you can literally use it as a clutch. Like, I love it so much. If you follow me on Instagram, you might know how obsessed I am with my lash extensions, but I don't have them right now, unfortunately. So I had ended up putting on a pair of lashes. I actually know how to do that pretty quickly in the morning. But I believe this mascara needs an honorable mention. Or maybe I just included it in my favorites. Okay, fine, 4 favorites. I feel like this gives a good balance of length and volume, but still gives a nice natural lifted look to the lash. The packaging is exquisite. Look at you. This is like actually really making me consider getting like a lash lift and then maybe using this in the mornings. We'll see. But I love my lashes. I love my lashes with my big hair, but we'll see. This is like my favorite out of all the products. She's a blush. I am really obsessed with like healthy, glowy cheeks, and this really just gives it to me. gives it to me, and I love the ease of it. You literally just swipe it on and tap it out. I have a cream blush that I love, but honestly it's very messy, and when I'm in a rush in the mornings, it's not it. So this is it now. She's like top shelf. I have this in the shade Raspberry Beret, and what I really love as well too is this lip oil. Hopefully I'm pronouncing this right, but it's in the shade Marrakech, and this thing, I've never tried anything like it before. It gives you a nice visible soft color, but with a slight sheen and oil to your lips that feels so comfortable. I have it in this dark peachy color, which I actually want to pick it up in a color that matches this blush. I feel like once I have these two matching, it'll just be perfect. The look will just hit. But I really wanted to mention this. I feel like if you guys are gonna look into this brand, the two top things that you need, these. You need the foundation too though. Like you kind of do, because this is just so nice and light and easy and not over the top. I don't like when my foundation looks cakey. But if you're thinking about one thing, this. Second thing, this. And then third thing, the foundation. I got you. So Merit Beauty is actually launching their brand on January the 12th. And I am one of their affiliates, so I'm super happy to join their team. And I will leave a link down below when the site goes live on the 12th. We also want to make sure that our outfits in the morning have a balance of your actual mood and the weather that's going on outside. And for me at the moment, I'm loving knit sweater dresses that are like midi length. They're just, it's winter, so they're warm. They make me look good, and like I feel good, I feel elevated. Like I love loungewear, but honestly, I feel like my mood kind of dampens a little bit. Like I'm a little bit more chill, vibey, like when I'm in my loungewear, but like when I'm in a dress, I'm like, I'm ready to go. I'm just ready to perform. I'm ready to perform. I'll just like wear something like this with like a pair of chunky combat boots so I don't like slip and fall on the ice that's going on right now. This is the perfect 5-minute fit to put together for me in the morning. It actually takes 30 seconds to put on, to be honest, but yeah, I feel like it uplifts my mood, it works for the weather, and it's comfortable because it's like stretchy and soft, and I can just be productive throughout the day. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and it inspires you to have a nice, productive, quick 5-minute routine in the morning. And I hope it made you rethink your current beauty routine, because that's very important to overlook, to make sure we have some clean products in there. Again, I will have the link listed down below on the launch on January 12th. And make sure you watch these other videos that you may have missed. Click my head to subscribe and stay a while. Follow me on Instagram so we can chit chat, and click the bell so you know when I post more videos. That's it. I love you so much. Take care.